What are the most common real estate frauds in Jamaica?
Most common real estate frauds in Jamaica includes title fraud, fake land sales, rental scams, bogus real estate agents and developers, mortgage fraud, wire fraud, and issues related to squatting and adverse possession. Each of these scams preys on unsuspecting buyers or renters, leading to financial loss and legal complications.
How can I verify the legitimacy of a property title?
To protect yourself from real estate fraud, you must verify the legitimacy of a property title and conduct a title search through the National Land Agency. This search will reveal the current owner of the property and any encumbrances or liens against it. Additionally, it's advisable to work with a qualified real estate attorney who can assist in verifying the title and ensuring all documents are legitimate.
What should I do if I suspect I've been a victim of a real estate scam?
If you suspect you've been a victim of a real estate fraud, you should immediately contact your attorney and report the incident to the relevant authorities, such as the police and the Real Estate Board of Jamaica. Document all communications and transactions related to the scam to aid in any investigation or legal action.
How can I protect myself when renting a property in Jamaica?
To protect yourself from real estate fraud when renting a property in Jamaica, always visit the property in person before making any payments. Confirm the identity of the landlord and request proper documentation. Use secure payment methods and be cautious of deals that seem too good to be true.
Stay locked in for more content helping you navigate the Jamaican real estate market. If you're looking to reconnect with your roots or invest in Jamaica's thriving market, to book a free consultation for that personal experience type, let's go in the comments. Don't forget to follow Jahwell Real Estate on Instagram. Stay informed, stay connected, and let's continue putting Jamaica on the map.